I didn't tell my feedback itself. I definitely got more than what I expected. I definitely encourage people. I even suggest people to take this course down the line, whoever willing to, expand their knowledge in this field. It's the style that you follow. Anyone will teach DL, everything, everyone can do, but the style, the passion you follow while teaching is something, intrigues people who even don't have, that urge to learn. That intrigues much. That's the one thing I really like. Uh, yeah. Suggestions, I don't have any. I think it was perfect. It was perfectly went well.
And I sincerely appreciate all your efforts, sir. Why? Because 2.5 hours sitting constantly without moving or, and taking up the class, it's really a challenge, sir. And the way you show dedication to your learners is something very phenomenal, sir. That's the reason, even if I have meetings, I don't want to miss those classes. Somehow I just wanted to be in that class to show a respect or something gratitude. Though I miss many at many places, but still I don't, based on your dedication level, your interest level, I always wanted to be in that session. That inspired me a lot. Thank you so much, and I appreciate that.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Totally, sir. Totally happy, sir. Like, see here, time is around 11:50, sir. So, so after doing all the household work and took care of the toddlers thing, and then attending the live session it's like again a tiring thing. But I don't want to miss the class. But because like, see, I have a 3 years gap from the academics because of my marriage and then pregnancies. But but I wanted to touch with you, and I wanted to establish the current scenario. So whatever is going on in the field. But so if I think in that, only the word comes to my mind is like go along with Mahesh Anand. So that's the thing. So once I sit with your lectures or your concepts or course, everything, so I will be like master in that. So in future I will be the master in that. So I don't want to take a course or any program or a degree or something. So only the 35 hours session is enough to upskill my yeah, even any gap is there or something. So in that way, I'm totally like thankful to you, sir. Like